unboxing. So, basically, I have a Murakami item. I managed to score something in the re-release. Let me unopen it. So I have this. I did not get any of the packaging, which is fine. I have most of the bags, and I have a bag and ribbon. I do want stickers, but we'll see. So this is basically kind of an unbox because I unboxed it at the store when I picked it up. But I managed to get the Nano Speedy. It's just so cute. I love it. I'm so obsessed. So, like most of the unboxing, so it comes with the tan lining, and then there's the little Murakami re-release badge. So the way I got this is I'm on a Discord, the membership Discord for Caleb Snell, and another creator, Sarah Likes Clothes. She does really fun fashion stuff, so go check her out on Instagram. Is where she's most active. She's also on there, and she had a CA that she met when she bought something from the original launch of or when she bought something from the January launch of the Murakami collection. So he reached out to her and said he potentially could get the item. They did a restock in March for the stores and online. And he was like, I could potentially put an order in for you. So the way it was worked is basically I paid the money up front for this. And it was either he was going to put an order in and it was going to be accepted, and or he was just going to give me my money back. So when the January drop happened, I basically just went for these shoes. Cassie Thorpe had mentioned them, and I thought they were really, really cool. They figured like an item I could get pretty easily. I just didn't want to try for a bag because that just seemed not worth it. And then I did go to Rodeo like the day of, and it was just a disaster. So it was kind of like I didn't really want to stand in line. I managed to score some shoes the next day, so I'm so excited. Like I have a matching. So, but the one thing I've always wanted in this particular monogram, the multicolor, is a Speedy. I do eventually want a 25 or find a 25 from the re-release or get a 30. But I just love this rainbow monogram. So I've always wanted something. So basically when the CA reached out, I asked him if he could put an order in for this. He did. And he said it would be 6 or 7 weeks, so which would put it around mid-June. I was like, cool, birthday present. Anyways, they decided to ship out all of these early, or at least the mini Speedies, it seems. So basically, my mini Speedy arrived last week. The sales associate was at a San Francisco store. I could have asked him to send it to me, but I felt like doing a day trip, so I took a little day trip up to San Francisco, picked up this cutie, and then came home. Kind of ridiculous. Probably most work I've put in to get a luxury item, which I didn't really like doing. But anyways, she's cute, she's adorable, and I originally wasn't going to take her to Italy, but she needs to be there for the Rome portion. This is going to be one of my bags for the Rome portion, and then she'll look really cute walking around London. She just has to come. She's just too cute. Anyways, it's handheld, but it also comes with a adjustable strap. Unlike the 25 size, it doesn't come with a lock. The 25s have this sort of, I guess it is a functional lock, but they have that lock. This does not. Anyways, yeah. So it hits about where I want a crossbody bag to hit. You know, I'd like it to hit lower, but I can always get another strap or something. But anyways, it's just too cute. And then with these and the shirt. So yeah, I have a pair of sunglasses I also ordered, but I'm gonna cancel those because basically I ordered them online when I thought I couldn't get this online, but then this restock happened, and I'm kind of multicolored up. I have some thoughts and opinions about the whole Murakami re-release. If anyone would like to hear them, I can do that in another video. But I have some thoughts and opinions about it. Anyways, she's so cute, and she's mine. Let's do a what fits. So as soon as I got it, I need to make sure at least it fit some essentials. So I have an iPhone 13. Like I basically have a mini phone, so it does fit the phone, but it fits this card holder. I have a pop socket. The one thing I didn't need to make sure that it fit is my phone has the shittiest battery life, so I needed to make sure that it fits my battery pack. It fits keys, and it also fits the AirPods Pro. So you have to do some Jenga. I don't know if it would fit any of the larger the larger phones, but even when I have a mini bag with my phone that fits, I usually end up carrying it anyways because I'm always checking it. So anyways, I am so excited. I'm going to wear her today. This is gonna be like my bag of the week. I'm obsessed. I love it. I love the little bow detail. I just love Vachetta. She is just tiny and cute and joyful. And I'm so happy I was able to get this. Let me know what you think of my new little bag. I'm just obsessed. I just love it. Anyways, have a good day. Bye.